Welcome to this exciting journey into the world of artificial intelligence. Imagine unlocking incredible career opportunities and gaining a competitive advantage simply by understanding and leveraging AI. In today's fast-evolving digital world, AI is no longer an option. It is a necessity for individuals and businesses pushing the boundaries of innovation and success. As AI continues to reshape industries, it introduces groundbreaking advancements that impact our daily lives. From revolutionizing healthcare with life-saving technologies and enhancing fraud detection in finance, to powering virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa, AI is everywhere. It drives autonomous vehicles, personalizes experiences on platforms like Netflix and Spotify, and even generates content instantly with tools like ChatGPT. Those who understand AI's capabilities are shaping the future. If you're looking to elevate your career or revolutionize your business, this course will open the doors to an exciting field that is redefining the future. According to PwC, over 70% of companies have already implemented AI in some form, and this number continues to grow. Whether you're a CEO, software developer, product designer, administrator, or just starting out in your career, AI can empower you to work more efficiently and effectively. This course is designed for beginners, professionals, enthusiasts, students, and practitioners eager to explore AI's potential. This course is your entry point into the world of AI, helping you grasp its fundamental concepts and terminology. By the end, you will be able to define AI, explain its key principles, and understand its real-world applications. You'll also explore AI's impact on industries and careers, along with its challenges, limitations, and ethical concerns. The course is structured into 4 comprehensive modules. From the very first module, you'll dive into the world of AI, discovering its widespread applications across industries. You'll explore AI tools like ChatGPT, Google Gemini, and Microsoft Copilot, as well as generative AI applications. You will also examine how AI-driven virtual assistants and smart home devices automate daily tasks and transform various sectors. In the second module, you'll build a strong foundation in AI concepts, gaining confidence in key technical terms such as machine learning, deep learning, and neural networks. You'll explore generative AI models, including large language models, LLMs, and understand their capabilities. Additionally, you'll dive into core AI domains like natural language processing, NLP, and computer vision, uncovering how advancements in these areas are driving innovation. The third module will take you deeper into AI's practical applications, showing how it enhances content creation, data analysis, customer service, product development, and more. You'll examine real-world AI use cases and discover how organizations are leveraging AI for growth. Additionally, you'll explore in-demand AI career paths, such as AI engineering, data science, robotics engineering, NLP engineering, and AI research, helping you determine your next steps after completing the course. AI isn't just about innovation. It also raises important ethical considerations. In the fourth module, you'll explore AI governance, ethics, and the challenges surrounding this rapidly evolving field. You'll gain insights into transparency, fairness, SO, privacy, and accountability in AI applications. You will also examine the perspectives of key industry players and the strategies they employ to address ethical concerns. To make your learning journey engaging and practical, this course includes a mix of videos, readings, and interactive activities. You'll participate in discussions with peers and instructors, gaining valuable insights from AI experts through dedicated viewpoint sessions. Hands-on activities and labs will help you apply your knowledge, while quizzes will reinforce your understanding. At the end of the course, you'll complete a final project and assessment, allowing you to earn your certificate and showcase your expertise. If you're ready to explore the world of AI and discover how understanding its concepts can propel your career forward, you've come to the right place. Let's get started.